Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you another Olens contact lens collection and a review as well, just because I know you guys really enjoyed the previous one. So I thought I'll try, the Spanish collection, which is actually very new. It recently came out probably like just over a month ago, and they just released the daily disposable one. The one I have right now is actually the monthly one, so I cannot wait to finish this up and get the disposable one. That's how much I like it already, guys. But anyway, this Spanish collection, like I said, it is monthly, which means that one box comes in 2-pack for a pair of eyes. But if you have eye power like me and you have different eye power, which means that you would have to get 2 boxes of it each purchase, and so technically it will last you for 2 months. So yeah, that's what happened to me. So I do have 6 boxes in total. And in regards of the colors, it does come in 3 different colors. So it comes with real sky, which is like a blue color, real gray, and real brown. Now for the diameter, it is actually 14.0, but the graphic diameter, which means how the colors where the color focuses on the contact lens, is only 11.9, which means that if you are not looking for an enlarging contact lens, this will be the perfect contact lens for you, because it gives you the color and it also try and make sure that it looks very natural as well. Because I was reading the site itself and see what their focus is actually making sure that the graphic diameter, so the color itself, accentuate your natural eye color, which is what attracted me to this collection. Because a lot of contact lens, when you apply it on, it already has that rim, it has that outline, which means when you apply, you can't really see your natural eye color. But for this one, because the diameter is 11.9, which is quite small, it accentuates so much of your eye color without you even realizing it. So whatever eye color you have, and if you apply this, obviously it will be different for everybody. I do have a very dark brown eye color, so when I apply, when I put this contact lens on, it somehow the colors all looks very like, I don't know, it's just true to color, maybe because of my dark eyes, if that makes sense. I will be showing you guys a really close up of each contact lens really soon and telling you details more there. But I just want to tell you more about the comfort first. So even though the diameter is 40mm, putting it on was very easy. It didn't slide anywhere. It was really comfortable, and this is my first time actually not using any contact lens solution when I put my contact lens on, just because I have really dry eyes, so I tend to do that often when I put contact lens on. But this is the first time I did not have to use it, and the longest I've actually wore this contact lens was 13 hours, and it wasn't uncomfortable at all. There was no discomfort and was still very comfortable, and it wasn't drying at all, which actually impressed me. I mean, you're not supposed to wear contact lens for that long, but that day it was my birthday and I was out, so I thought I'll try one of the contact lens out, and yeah, I was speechless. And it's such a beautiful shade. I was wearing the real sky, so it looks really good, guys. Let's talk about the colors now, which probably interests you guys more. So let's talk about real sky first. So real sky, it has like a 2-tone shade. So obviously it has that light aqua blue, but in the rim it also have like a golden brown shade, which means when you apply it on, it has like those, I call it like a wispy, so it's like look like stripes on the contact lens, which means that when you apply it on, it blends well with your eye color, so it doesn't look like one solid color. The way they put the 2-tone is so that it accentuate your eye color more, but also show the 2 colors that is on the contact lens. So for me, I have that dark eye color underneath, but I also have that blue on the outer part of my eyes and also brown on the middle part. It just looks very beautiful. So technically it looks like I have 3-tone 3 colors on my eyes itself, but it looks really natural. However, for me, because my eyes is dark, the blue looks a bit more of like a gray shade. But if you take photos with flash and stuff, you can see that blue shade. It just looks a bit like a dark blue gray toned on me. Now real brown, I love real brown so much because I love brown colors that make my eyes look like I have hazel eyes, and this particular color really did that for me. And I cannot tell you how much I love this particular shade so much. I told my other half so many times, like, just look at my eyes, just look at my eyes, it just looks so beautiful on me. I just love it. I sound like I'm up myself, but I've never seen such a beautiful brown shade, you know, for contact lens, and it looks so natural. It looks like my eyes is so unique for an Asian, you know what I mean? Like, it's so natural, but at the same time it gives you that beauty that you want, you know. It just beautifies your eyes basically. So again, it is, you know, for this one, if you look closely, it does have two different tones of brown. Sorry, my dog is running around like crazy. So it has two different tones of golden brown. The outer part is lighter and then the inner part is darker. So which means when you apply on me, I have, you know, that dark brown in the background, but also emphasize the lighter brown outside. I really need to work on my description, guys, but I hope the close-up really helps you guys with your decision. Last one is Real Grey, which is what I'm currently wearing right now, and I really like this one because sometimes most of the time I love gray colors, but sometimes when wearing gray color, I want a gray color that is not too bright, that is not too like pastel gray, but it's very natural, and this one really gives me that, you know, that particular gray that I'm looking for. Like, you know, from far away you guys would know that I'm wearing a gray color contact lens, and if you guys seen a lot of my other videos, you would know that I like gray contact lens because you guys notice it from far away. But you know, this particular shade, it gives me that gray color that I like, but at the same time it looks very natural. And then if you look at me close up, you can tell that I'm wearing a gray contact lens. So for this particular gray, it has two tones. So it has like that gray wispy shade, so like a light gray, but on me, when I put it on my eye color, it is like a dark gray, and then in the middle it has like this lime green color. So they didn't put brown, they put like a lime green, and it's actually a perfect combo because on my eyes it doesn't look like light green, it looks like a bit like a dark brown shade. So overall it actually is very nice. Every time I put this contact lenses on, I'm just amazed how it blends so well with my eye color, and it just amazes me how the graphic diameter is only 11.9mm. So it makes me feel like my eye color is unique, you know, when applying this contact lens, because I do use a lot of enlarging contact lens and I really like this. It does take a while for me to actually accept the eye shape because I do like using an enlarging one, but it gives me the color that I want. It gives me the beautiful eye look that I want, you know. So I really do like this. Now in regards of the cost, it is $24 per box, but for me, you know, because I do use it for 2 months, because I have to buy 2 boxes, technically it's like 12 USD dollars per pair for me, you know, if that's how you want to count it, but that's how I count it. But I do have a promotion code for you guys. I'm not affiliate for it, it's just a promotion code, and I'll put it right here. It's MayXDenise10, so feel free to use it for 10%. I don't think there's an expiry date for it, so help yourself with it. And I will be doing an Olens contact lens haul for you guys really soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask me any questions down below in regards of this particular collection, or how you know, in regards of this contact lens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.